Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video today I will be showing you how to make delicious spaghetti with minced beef. A very simple recipe, a quick fix one that you can do for lunch or whenever you are in a hurry. And let's get started. So cut your spaghetti into two, but you do not have to cut if you don't like cut spaghetti. Add some water and bring the spaghetti to a boil, and you're going to boil this for roughly 5 minutes and they will be ready. And as that is happening, start frying the other ingredients into a pan. Add cooking oil enough, then add 1 red onion. And of course the amount of ingredients here depends on the amount of the stew that you're making and the amount of spaghetti that you're going to make. And then after the onions have turned translucent, now add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and then give that a mix. And after that, at this point I add my spices, and I'm going to use paprika, I used thana jeera, I used roycom chuzi mix and 2 beef cubes. And of course don't limit yourself here, and I also used tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. At this point also you can add salt, and then give that a good mix. Stir everything together. And I like to cook my spices because they taste better, but that's just me. I don't know if you do the same. And then after the spices are fully cooked, now add 1 chopped tomato and then give that a good mix. And the reason why I added tomato first before the other veggies is because I want the tomatoes to cook fully so that they can be like mashed, they can be like a paste. And I added some water to the tomatoes, and you can see they are fully cooked. You can't see now the tomatoes at this point, and that is the idea. And then after that, now add minced beef, the amount that you're going to use, and then give that a good mix. And also at this point, now add the other veggies. I added carrots and capsicum. Give that a good mix. And you can see the spaghetti is ready. Set it aside, and at this point keep checking the beef and the veggies if they are ready. At this point you can add more salt if the salt that you added before is not enough, and then now add the boiled spaghetti. Give that a good mix. Mix everything to come together. You guys, like you can see, this recipe, it's a very quick one. It can't take you more than 20 minutes. Actually, it can't take you 20 minutes. It takes you less than that, and it's ready. Imagine, so delicious, so simple to make. And you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your continued support. And that is the spaghetti, so delicious. I loved it so much, and I hope you try it out.